Whether you're a small, medium, or large solution provider, you must adapt to the rapid changes in the information technology landscape. As IT departments continue to extend their computing platforms, solution providers must keep up to stay competitive. To meet this challenge, solution providers must engage existing and new clients running a myriad of applications. The appStrategy Partner Program offers solution providers several benefits, such as lead referrals, project assistance, and premium support for appRules Portal, the leading all-in-one solution engine. With appRules Portal, solution providers can now leverage an integrated, multi-faceted, no-code system to drive multiple revenue streams. Expand your market to include industries such as healthcare, financial services, manufacturing, professional services, and public sector. Extend your connectivity to all major data sources, including CRM, ERP, big data, and marketing. Deploy on-premise and in the cloud using appRules Portal and appRules Express Edition. Using appRules Portal, your team will successfully deliver the mission-critical projects in demand today: data integration, cleansing, migration, and replication, ETL 2.0, business rules, process automation, and machine learning. Don't let the rapidly changing IT landscape get in the way of your success. Contact appStrategy today to join the appStrategy Partner Program.